Have you heard of Google before? Definitely yes. Since Google is one of the world's most powerful search engines, millions of people use it every day to look for information, watch movies, or visit websites. Did you know that there is a method to make a lot of money using a really simple Google trick? Well, if not, this is the right video for you. Using the secret approach, a small number of people quietly bank $1,000 or even $5,000. Until today, this secret information was never revealed to the general public. In this video, I'll uncover and expose everything to you so you may take advantage of a little-known Google trick. If you have a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection, you may do this for free because this method is entirely free and works worldwide. If you stick with me to the finish, I'll even give you a completely free tool that you can use to increase your profits significantly. People will normally spend hours making around $1,000, but if you know the secret tool and trick, you can quickly make up to $300 and even more in as little as 30 minutes. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first step is to go to Google and type in Google News. Alternatively, you may simply click this button and look for Google News and click it. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can see all the latest news and articles available. Continue to watch and follow what I show you to get paid from Google, and you'll see that there's a lot of fresh and unique news on Google. You'll see that Google will try to sort all of the news into one of the most popular categories. On the left side of the platform, you can notice all the categories available. They have business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. For example, I'm going to click on this health category right here. Doing such a click will redirect me to this page wherein you can see a lot more articles all about health. After that, I'd like to choose one of these articles and have a click because they're all really professionally written. Using Google News and other people's articles, you may earn a lot of money. After opening the article, just simply copy it and proceed to the next step. Moving forward to the second step, all you need to do is go to spinbot.com. This is essentially a free application and software that allows you to spin articles for free. The principle is simple. Right now, they effectively have two boxes. This is the first box where you can enter the text to reconstruct the article. You can just copy and paste the article's paragraph into this box. As you can see by scrolling down below, this software will assist me in totally rewriting this entire article into new stuff. When you're done pasting the article here, all you need to do now is simply click the I am not a robot button and then the go button. As you can see, it's literally just one click away from assisting you in fully rewriting the material into a new article. Some of you may already be aware of the method's effectiveness. You can practically take advantage of Google's capabilities, especially Google News. I can find a variety of current topics and popular articles produced by others that are quite professional. So, moving forward, we could use artificial intelligence technology called Spinbot to rewrite the articles into truly original material. And we could use these brand new articles to generate a lot of money, particularly through PayPal, bank transfers, and other payment methods. Advancing to the third step, you can just browse to several websites and get paid once you've successfully rewritten a few articles. I'll show you 3 different websites in this video. Make sure you watch all the way to the finish to learn about them all because the more websites you join, the more money you'll make. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The first website that we will be using to market our article is textbroker.com. When you arrive at this website, it will look like this. All you need to do now is maneuver your mouse on the upper portion and select I write content and simply click on the payment right here to view the earning potential of this website. They will give you a star rating from 2 to 5 based on the quality of your content. and you'll get paid varying amounts of each written word depending on your rating. You are not required to write your own article, nor do you require any writing abilities or previous experience. All you have to do is go to Google News and look for straightforward professional articles that others have published. Then, using the power of SpinBot, rewrite the article entirely. That is how Google compensates us, and anyone can do it. If you publish high-quality articles, you should be able to get 4 to 5-star ratings. For each word, we should be paid between 1.4 and 5 cents. Let's imagine you get a 5-star rating based on the quality of your work, which you might easily obtain if you start with a Google article. If you create a 2,100-word article, you may expect to earn roughly $105 for it. This is literally one of the easiest ways I've seen in a long time for brand new beginners to take advantage of the technique to make some pretty rapid money online. Guess what? Unless you can discover a long article space of up to 5,000 words, you may make up to $255 from a single article. Google has similar articles, as you can see. You can search and merge 3 to 5 different articles into one single piece. From there, you can easily alter the word count to make more money in this manner. Here are a few reasons to join a text broker. First, registering is absolutely free. Second, and you can work at your own place. Third, you can submit as many articles as you want. Lastly, they will pay you regularly. You'll be paid weekly, and once you've earned $10, you'll be able to withdraw it to your chosen payout option. The second website that we will be using is iWriter. You can go to their website by entering iWriter.com. Getting paid can be broken down into 5 simple steps. The first step is to register for a free account. The second step is to decide the category you want to work in and what kind of articles you want to produce. The final stage is to submit your articles. After your item has been authorized, step 4 is to review it. The fifth stage is for them to pay you. They will pay you a very good amount, and you will be able to make a varying amount of money depending on the bundles that customers purchase. If you publish a 700-word article under the premium category, you will be earning over $7. If you make 1,500 words under the elite category, you will be earning over $31. The good news is that you can move to the Elite Plus level if you provide high-quality items like those from Google News. As you can see, if you write up to 3,000 words, you can make a total of $217.50, which is a substantial sum of money. You can submit the same article to both iWriter.com and TextBroker.com using the same article. Once you've signed up for a few websites, you'll be able to earn money from various sources with just one article. Registration is absolutely free and available to anyone from anywhere in the world. So right now, we're heading to the third website, Scripted.com. They're basically going to pay you for any articles you write. When you arrive at this page, all you need to do now is click on the Become a Writer right here. And by doing so, you will be redirected to this page, wherein you can apply as a writer on Scripted.com. You may work in any business and in various areas, which is why Google and Google News are so effective, since they truly cover the most popular and trending topics that people actually want to know about. Technology, entertainment, science, and even health are among the most well-known. There is a range of news and articles to choose from, all of which are updated regularly. You may use an artificial intelligence tool called SpinBot to rewrite the articles into brand new content, which is both amazing and very beginner-friendly for anyone who wants to get started. Payment is guaranteed once more. 15 days after your project is accepted, you can be paid automatically, and you can set your own price on this page. You can earn significantly more than the other 2 websites. For a 3,000-word essay on the first website, TextBroker, you can make roughly $160. You can earn even more money on the second website, up to $217 for 3,000 words. And with just one single article unscripted, you may literally double your money and earn up to $300. They'll pay you highly and provide you the freedom to work from home. They accept roughly 20 different countries at the moment. Simply click the Apply Now button to get started. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be entering your first name, last name, email, phone number, and password. and click on Create My Account in order to make money online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.